What's up, guys? So today I've printed 4 orange mini crossbows. This is one of the first things that I printed a few months ago, and I wanted to print a few of them for stocking stuffers. So let's just see if they work. I printed it at 0.16 instead of 0.2. 0.16 high quality. Okay, first one. Yep, that works. Test the second one. Whoa, yeah, that works. Third one. Yep. And the fourth one. Yeah, it works. Alright, like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.